how are we going to kick pork chops up a notch tonight? And so, I thought what we would do is make a delicious garlic jam and just sort of smother it with the pork chops, you know what I mean? And I don't mean no sissy pork chops. I mean pork chops.
That's a pork chop, man. That's a pork chop.
So we're gonna take the little bitty pork chops, les petits pork, and then what we're gonna do is go to this side of the grill. So we'll get them going. We'll keep an eye on them. A little more essence. Oh, yeah, babe. Huh. So what I'm going to do to make this jam is we're going to take some garlic, about 4, 5, 6 heads of garlic. Take the top off. Some lightly salted water. We're going to poach the garlic. You want to poach the garlic 3 times. How did you come up with that number? I don't know. It sounded good. No, really. You know, you fry garlic, it can get bitter. You roast garlic, it gets sweet. It gets sweet when you poach it, too. So after about 3 times, see how nice and pearly white it is right there? We're just going to dry it off now. We've eliminated some of the bitterness. So once it's dried off like this, then we're going to put it in a little dish like this. Olive oil. Salt. Some fresh ground pepper. And then you want to do about 1/4 of an onion. Let's do half. We're now going to bake that inside the oven. Turn over these pork chops. After you roast the garlic and the onion, you let it sort of sit in the olive oil a little bit. And then when you can handle it, then what you can do is you can just sort of take the whole head of the garlic and sort of just... Oh, yeah, babe. Oh, I love this. I'm coming back next life as a garlic squeezer. What's your occupation, sir? Oh, I squeeze garlic. So then what you want to do is, oh, and don't worry about that olive oil getting in there. Oh, no. So after you get it out like that, folks, then what you want to do is you want to take the onion, and then you want to chop up the onion. See, because now the onion's like all delicious, happy. Oh, yeah, babe. So we're just kind of, all right, so you want to take this now, the diced onion. See, I had done a little bit of this earlier. So now what you want to do is you want to take the garlic with the onion, and then the juice of lemon, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then when you're ready, see, this will also keep in the ice box. That would be the refrigerator. And then when you're ready to serve this baby up, right at the end, whether you're doing it in the oven, the roast, you take that garlic jam and you just sort of smear it on there. Oh, yes. Just smear it right on there like that. Oh, smear it. Now, then what you do is when you're ready, see, it's already delicious. You just kind of get the chop. Oh, yes. Look at that, huh?